In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Sendgrid. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to download your contacts as a CSV file that you can use in other tools or keep as a backup. First, make sure you're logged into your Sendgrid account and you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click on Marketing. This is where Sendgrid keeps all of the tools related to your marketing campaigns, including your contact lists. Once the marketing section opens, you'll see a drop-down or submenu. From this menu, select Contacts. This will take you to the main Contacts area, where you can see all of your saved contacts and any lists you've created. Give the page a moment to load if you have a lot of data. Now, you'll need to choose which contacts you want to export. You can export a specific list, or you can export all of your contacts at once. Look through the list of contact groups until you find the specific list you're interested in, or choose the option labeled All Contacts if you want everything. Next to each list name, you'll see an action menu often represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on that action menu next to the list you want to export. From the action menu that appears, select Export. This tells Sendgrid to start preparing a file with the contacts from that particular list. As soon as you do this, you should see a success banner at the top or bottom of the screen. This banner is just confirming that the export process has started. The export doesn't download immediately. Sendgrid processes it for you in the background, which can take a little time if you have a large list. Once Sendgrid is done processing, you'll be able to download your contacts. Look for a section on the page called Active Exports. When your export is ready, a Download CSV link will appear there. Click that link to save the CSV file to your computer. This file can be opened in spreadsheet tools or uploaded into other email platforms. In addition to the on-screen link, Sendgrid will also send a download link to the email address associated with your account, which is helpful if you navigate away from the page or want to access the file later. And that's all there is to exporting contacts from Sendgrid.